with the fast change in the technology, design trends are changing regularly. So we need to get updated according to the design trend. So in this video, I would be showing you 7 design trends that will be dominating 2021. So my name is Yash and I am a graphic designer. So let's begin with the video. Number 1. Muted color palettes. So muted colors have less saturation and they are used by health and fitness brands. As you know, health and fitness industry is growing at a great level. So muted color palettes will be very helpful if you are into design stuff. So muted color palettes will really help you a lot. Number 2. Simple data visualization. So data is the key in the year 2021. Every company is collecting data. So it need to be represented in very simple way, like in a pie chart or in a bar graph. So there is a lot of work for designers. You can design the data and you can show it in a very pictured and simple way. So that's a really lot of scope for designer here. Number 3. Geometric shapes. So in the last year, many people were using flowing shapes. Flowing shapes was the main trend of 2020. But in this year, people will start shifting from flowing shapes to geometric shapes as they feel more symmetric and give your design a great look. So geometric shapes will be a key trend in 2021. Number 4. Illustrations. So people are using illustrations a lot in today's world in their websites to determine an emotion or to determine the pictorial representation of some object. So illustrations are going to dominate 2021. So better use more and more illustrations in your work and it will look great. Number 5. Classic serif fonts. So serif fonts are basically continued from 15th century and they are used till now. Many of the serif fonts are used for the text thing. So many of the people are now shifting towards that classic serif fonts that were used earlier. So that will going to dominate 2021. So make sure you use serif fonts accordingly and work upon your typography skills. Number 6. Social media deck posts. So many of the people are now putting carousels on their Instagram and they are very engaging and you can provide a lot of information using carousels. Most of the people are using it and it is now available also on LinkedIn. So you can use carousels or deck posts in your work and that are very engaging. So here is where the designers will come into play to design that post. So there is lot for the design industry in 2021. Number 7. Text heavy videos. So most of the people in 2020 after the pandemic are still in the remote location, so they are not accordingly able to shoot the videos for themselves. So they are using text heavy videos and giving voiceovers to them. So here is the role is coming from for designer. There is a great opportunity in this industry for designers. You can have a look in that field. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you have liked the video. So make sure to hit a like, and if you are here till now, that means you have loved the video. So make sure to hit a subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The links are given in the descriptions. And you can also join my Facebook group where we can interact and I can also review your designs or we can interact for any purpose. So that's it for the today's video. So bye guys.